The Food and Agriculture Organization and CADI brought together regional minds and methods to safeguard the Caribbean's food security by preserving essential plant genetic resources. The initiative emphasizes the use of advanced technologies to document crop varieties, a significant shift in a region where agriculture is still largely practiced by experienced farmers using traditional methods. Vumaran Extivor, the technical focal point for CARICOM, underscored the vital role farmers play in the data collection process.
One of the things we've noticed is that we do have to engage the farmers directly. Now, under our multilateral work, we have done some initial activities on developing national strategies for management of genetic resources. And in doing so, plant genetic resources and the farmers, they are the ones who actually have the resources. Some farmers have varieties that ministries aren't even having access to anymore and that are no longer stored. So we need to engage the farmers in the conservation process. We actually have recognized it is important to help the farmers conserve what they have, but also get it into a place that it can be stored and made available for future use.
Extivor acknowledged the difficulties encountered by farmers who primarily rely on conventional methods while emphasizing the opportunity to engage tech-savvy youth as a promising path for the future of data collection in agriculture.
While high tech is important and relevant, we also have to recognize the capacity of our farming community that is aging. But it's also an opportunity for us to engage the youth who are high-tech and who are very much interested in using the technology to train them to apply it in this area of plant genetic resource management. Some of the work that is being done in the region in different areas includes working with breeders and introducing the youth to how to do breeding on a farm and how do we retain and conserve your planting material on the farm.
Extivor further emphasized the potential to involve youth in agriculture while also addressing the need for experienced farmers to adopt emerging technologies for collecting plant data.
What we really would like to try to do is not to necessarily make an older farmer take on a new technology that may be outside of his capacity. Our older farmers use technologies in the way they are willing and capable to. The challenge is for us to bring the youth to show them how to apply that new technology. For example, if a farmer can use his cultural practices, his traditional practices to manage production, the youth can bring a new technology by using the cell phone to scan the plant and help him interpret what he needs to do, because then he can apply that knowledge to his own crop production activity.
The workshop not only promotes innovation in agricultural data collection, but also bridges generations, encouraging youth participation while supporting experienced farmers through technological change. As efforts to protect the region's biodiversity continue, initiatives like this are planting the seeds for a more resilient and inclusive Caribbean agricultural sector. For Choice News Now, I am Dyrod Lionel.